Ready to unlock the ultimate cheat codes for high school's scariest math topics? Let's jump into this explainer. If you absolutely hate staring at giant walls of math text, I'm going to show you shortcuts that make Trig effortless. First up, reference angles. Think of these as a simple copy-paste trick for handling massively terrifying angles. Look closely here. That massive 120-degree angle is literally just a 60-degree angle wearing a disguise. Your calculator actually does this automatically. It secretly uses that hidden acute angle as its ultimate cheat sheet. But what about all those incredibly ugly fractions in Trig? Get ready to literally delete them from your life. Enter the unit circle, our absolute best math hack. Its center sits at the origin with a radius of 1. Now watch the absolute magic that happens when we drop a basic right triangle right inside that circle. Normally, finding sine means dividing opposite by hypotenuse. That usually guarantees a terrifying, totally messy fraction. But wait, since our hypotenuse is exactly 1, the fraction just vanishes. Sine is literally the opposite side's length. Same exact thing for cosine. It just becomes the horizontal line, turning complex trig into basic map coordinates. Okay, so why do mathematicians suddenly ditch degrees and force us to learn this weird new word, radians? Well, degrees are completely arbitrary. Radians actually make sense by comparing an angle's arc directly to its radius. Since circumference is 2 pi times radius, a full 360-degree circle translates perfectly into exactly 2 pi radians. Don't view radians as some punishing new rule. Just think of them as a hyper-efficient translation language for circles. Let's apply this. Picture a pizza slice with a 10-centimeter radius and a pi over 2 angle. Boss fight time. Because we're using radians, finding the arc length is insanely simple. You just multiply the radius by the angle. So we take our 10-centimeter pizza radius, multiply it by pi over 2, and bam, that gives us 5 pi. Multiply that out, and you get exactly 15.7 centimeters of crust. See? Absolutely effortless. You just completely crushed reference angles, the unit circle, and radians. What intimidating math subject will you conquer next?